751 Bravo Room is cleared from Safford to Springerville, Juliet Tango Charlie. As filed, climb maintain 15,000, 15,000, squawk 4 tree, 5 tree. We'll be talking to Albuquerque on 1 tree, decimal 0. Void time is 1750. If not off by then, we'll contact center no later than 1800. All right, thanks, sir. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
Density altitude 4,000. Safford Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 1718 Zulu. Wind 100 at 07. Visibility 5. Light rain mist. Sky condition view 5,500. Overcast 8,500. Temperature 16 Celsius. Dew point 16 Celsius. Altimeter 3002. Remarks. Density altitude 4,000.
Center Talk 649, level 13000.
I was offline. Who was that last call?
Talk 649, level 13000.
Toxic 49er Albuquerque Center, Roger. The Silver City altimeter is 3014.
Talk 649, 3014, thank you.
The Bronco flight, stand by. Toxic 49er in the event of lost radio communication in 40 miles, you need to be on Albuquerque Center 124.32.
Toxic 49, 124.32 for lost time.
Bronco 69er, go ahead. Bronco 69er, go ahead. Bronco 69er, you keep breaking up. You're looking for what? Bronco 69er, I'm not aware of any message for you from the Davis Monson off. You want me to have the supervisor, or can I check into something for you? I'm not sure what you're asking. Commander 751 Bravo Romeo, Albuquerque Center, ident, Safford altimeter is 3003.
3003.
November 23 Hotel, contact Albuquerque Center 128.2.
128.2, 23 Hotel. Center Skyway 5479, are we okay for a slow climb?
Guys 5479.
Good morning, Albuquerque, go out there, 1 Mike Lima checking in 11000.
That's affirmative, Skies 5479.
Thank you.
November, was that November 1 Mike Lima checking on 1000?
Affirmative, 1 Mike Lima.
Number 1 Mike Lima, Albuquerque Center, Tucson altimeter 29903.
93, 1 Mike Lima.
November 1 Bravo Romeo, radar contact 12 miles from Safford at 11,800. And yes, Safford altimeter is 3003.
3003, passing through 12,000, 751 Bravo.
Albuquerque Center, United 1276, this is 310. Good afternoon. We have some advice here, and we expect the same ahead.
United 1276, Albuquerque Center, I'd say affirmative, mostly smooth on the ride.
And just a courtesy call, American 687, we're starting down to San Villa.
American 687, roger. Bronco 69er Albuquerque. Yeah, Bronco 69er. Just talked to Tucson Approach and DM Tower. They said everyone's getting in fine at Davis Montano. Bronco 69er. Yeah, I'm not sure what you mean by that last comment. I just know that you're able to land at Davis Montano right now. You're welcome. American 6 and Platinum West 797. Show a bunch of scattered moderate precipitation in the area. Are you IMC right now? Can you give me the top?
We are IMC right now at the Platinum West 797.
Roger. Southwest 1457. Are you above all that precip, or what do you estimate the tops?
I'd say the tops are pretty much right at 340, so those 14%.
Roger.
How the rides in the descent for 1457?
Southwest 1457. Descend via the Ping 1 arrival, runway 7 right, and I believe it should be no worse than occasional light chop.
Okay, Ping 1 for 7 right, Southwest 1457, thanks.
November 1 Bravo Romeo, contact Albuquerque Center 132.9er.
132.9er, 1 Bravo Romeo. Flight level 210, like to come left heading 040 for weather.
Southwest 2187 Albuquerque Center, Roger. Deviation left approved as requested. When able, clear direct Albuquerque and advise.
Okay, deviation left approved. Albuquerque when able and advise. Southwest 2187.
Albuquerque Center, Commander 751 Bravo Romeo's level 15,000. We'll get the weather at Springerville, requesting RNAV runway 21 approach.
November 751 Bravo Romeo, Albuquerque Center, do you want to go direct I-fade?
Affirmative.
There's 521 Bravo Romeo, have I-fade and lower for just a second.
751 Bravo.
November 751 Bravo Romeo, go direct I-fade, descend at discretion, maintain 1-2000.
Direct I-fade, post discretion, maintain 1-2000, 751 Bravo.
Southwest 1085, contact Albuquerque 126.9 or 2, okay?
12692, Southwest 1085, good day.
Frontier 1306, contact Albuquerque 124.32.
2432, Frontier 1306, see ya.
Yeah. Number 117 Papa Bravo, radar contact lost altitude.
Currently 7,800 climbing.
November 7 Papa Bravo, Roger. Solo altimeter 3014. What altitude are you trying to climb up to?
3014, that'll bring me up a bit. And I am currently trying to get to 95, but I don't know if the clouds are going to let me do it. I'm going to try and peek up there.
I'll let you know if we can back up here a little bit.
Papa Bravo, thank you.
I-fade's 27 miles, 9,500, then down to 8,700.
Number 751 Bravo Romeo, you said you had the current weather notems at Springerville?
Affirmative, sir, 1 Bravo Romeo.
1 Bravo Romeo, Roger, cross I-fade at 12000, cleared approach at Springerville.
Cross I-fade at 1-2000, cleared from the RNAV 21 at Springerville, 751 Bravo Romeo.
And I could probably get you lower, about 5-6 miles south of I-fade. I'll let you know here in just a minute.
Okay.
Notice to airmen,
Albuquerque 751 Bravo Romeo, we've got the airport in sight, and we can go ahead and cancel IFR at this time.
751 Bravo Romeo, copy cancellation. The radar says determining squawk V5 change advisories. Have a good day.
See ya.
Albuquerque, good morning, Southwest 1681.
Town of Springerville Municipal Airport, automated weather observation 1754 Zulu. Wind variable at 5 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition
Scattered at 3,100. Scattered at 3,700. Scattered at 12,000. Temperature 14 Celsius. Dew point 6 Celsius. Altimeter 3016 inches of mercury. Remarks. Density altitude 8500.